Food truck fight. A judge orders the city of Baltimore to clarify a controversial law that dictated where food trucks could operate. But this battle is not yet over. WJZ's Live, Ava Joy Burnett tells us neither side is ready to back down. Ava Joy.
Vic, this law was so unpopular among food truck vendors that it forced one of those operators to take the city to court. Joey Vanini, owner and operator of a food truck, is celebrating a temporary victory over the city of Baltimore. Vanini and his attorneys challenged a law that said food trucks were not allowed to operate within 300 feet of a restaurant that sells primarily the same thing. In Joey's case, that's pizza. Could you technically operate right here?
Right here? No, I can't. The reason for that is because there's a pizzeria within 300 feet right over there, and there's 3 pizzerias up the street, and that's part of the problem.
On Wednesday, a judge ruled that the law was too vague for anyone to properly enforce it, and the city has 60 days to clarify that ordinance. The city has a few options, one of which includes an appeal, and if that goes in their favor, food truck vendors could find themselves right back at square one. The city's lawyers said the ordinance regarding food trucks was intended to achieve commercial and economic equity between higher costs brick and mortar food vendors and the less costly operation of food trucks. But Vanini, who lives in Baltimore, said because he was never quite sure where he was allowed to sell his pizza, he was forced across city lines to do business in Anne Arundel County. There's an estimated 75 food truck operators in the city. Vanini and his lawyers say they're prepared to take the heat if the city chooses to appeal the judge's order.
The government shouldn't be picking winners and losers in the free market, you know, and the people of Baltimore want options, they want choices, and we're one of those choices.
Now, the city has 60 days to appeal or make a clarification, and if this goes in their favor, those food truck operators will have to continue working under limitations. Live tonight at City Hall, Ava Joy Burnett for WJZ.
Ava Joy, thank you. The city's attorney says the mayor and city council will ultimately decide if they want to appeal this decision in an attempt to continue limiting where food trucks can operate.